Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to appear offline in Pokémon Go. To appear offline in Pokémon Go, you can disable certain visibility feature. Launch open the Pokémon Go application on your mobile device first. After you're inside the home page of Pokémon Go, go ahead and tap on your avatar at the bottom left corner. Now, tap on the Friends tab at the top right, and you will be able to see that your little avatar is appearing at the top left corner. Simply tap on it, and you can then go online or offline on Pokémon Go. If you see the green button where it says online, it means you are sharing your online status with your friends. If you want to go offline, you can simply tap on the same avatar and you will be able to go offline in Pokémon Go. When toggled off, your friends won't see you as online. So that's how you can easily appear offline or online in Pokémon Go in just a few simple steps. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button, press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.